Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Contents of broad ligaments. Contents of broad ligament include there are two tube structures which are ureter and fallopian tube. Ovary is not a content of broad ligament. There are four ligaments: ovarian ligament, infundibulopelvic ligament, round ligament, and cardinal ligament are the contents of broad ligament. There is a vestigial structure like epooperon, paraoophoron, and Gartner's duct in broad ligament. There are vessels like ovarian artery and uterine artery in the broad ligament. Levator.
thank you and thank you for watching.